So today we'll be talking about maskne. What is maskne? The coronavirus pandemic has added another piece of clothing to our wardrobes, and that is a mask. Yes, that's right. Hi everyone, this is Madhulika from Via Naturals. Via Naturals, as you already know, is a cruelty-free and clean beauty brand that does not use any harmful and toxic chemicals, parabens, sulfates, silicones, artificial fragrances and colors in its products. So maskne is the new acne. And what causes maskne? Maskne kisse hota hai, right? So number one is rubbing. So this is when your mask keeps rubbing against your skin and causes constant friction, leading to irritation. So that's number two, irritation. The skin, when it is under the mask for a very long period of time, say a couple of hours, it can strip your skin of all the natural oils. And number three, occlusion. Occlusion is when the pores of your skin get clogged and clogged, especially with the excess oil, the sebum, the dirt that keeps getting accumulated inside the mask. So the coronavirus pandemic is here to stay, and so is the mask, and we must keep wearing the mask because it is there for our safety and as well for the other person. So what is the best fabric and what is the best kind of mask that you can wear? Number one is of course the N95 masks, which is used by the healthcare workers, but we should let that be. The next best option is 100% cotton, tightly woven 100% cotton fabric. And why cotton? Because cotton is best for the skin, it is breathable, and it won't clog your pores as much. So that being said, mask is very important, but that makes your skin more prone to maskne, or this can go for a lot of skin types, not just acne prone. So don't worry, we have solutions. Stick around to find out those. So solution number one, if you're using a cotton face mask, it is advisable to keep washing that mask before and after each use. That being said, washing your face is also extremely important, and for that reason I suggest using Via Naturals Vitamin C face wash, because this is very good for this reason. It is gentle, it is soap free, and it keeps your skin fresh at all times. Number two, using gentle skincare products. Any kind of gentle skincare products should be good. Do not use anything that includes parabens, sulfates, toxic chemicals, because this is not good for your skin. It is already affected, it is already irritated right now, and that maskne will aggravate if you don't use gentle skincare products. Number three, using hydrating skincare products is also of extreme importance. So things like serum really come in handy at this point. So serums like hyaluronic acid serum, niacinamide serum, Via Naturals offers both of these serums in their range, and it is really good for the skin. It replenishes that complexion, it fights to work on that skin barrier, and it is very good for that optimum hydration that your skin really needs at this point. That maskne, to subside that maskne, you need to keep your skin hydrated at all times. Number four is do not use makeup at this point, because your pores are already clogged, and you should not be using any kind of product that will clog it even further, and makeup is one such thing. So try to avoid that makeup for now, and especially till the time your maskne subsides. Maskne is the new acne, ये हम gradually समझ रहे हैं, right? So it's okay, we can fight this one step at a time. Make sure to use all the solutions I gave you right there, and I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family. So stay safe, stay home, take care of that skin, and until next time, bye bye.